one glassware refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 23.5 inches, a depth of 20.5 inches, and a height of 64.25 inches tall. The refrigerator will also include 4 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Measurements for each shelf will include 20 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 4 shelves. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator will include 21 inches in length by 16.75 inches in depth. And the height, we have 48.5 inches tall. 48.5 inches tall applies from the floor to the top door frame. Coming to the inside will be the left and right blow fans, temperature control, along with the power switch for the light strip located on the top center. Lock and keys will also be provided. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification, along with the 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.